Hey, imagine turning $100 into $1,000 while you sleep, eat pizza, or scroll on your phone. Sounds like a scam, right? Well, it's not. Millions of regular people are quietly building wealth every single month, and you can too. Welcome to Investing for Beginners, the only video you need to stop being scared of the stock market and start making your money work for you. Today, I'm breaking down investing in the simplest, most practical way possible. No fancy jargon, no boring lectures, just clear, actionable steps you can start this week. Stick around till the end for my favorite beginner-friendly investment hack that most people completely miss. Step 1. Get your money mindset right. Before you buy a single stock, fix your foundation. Pay off any high-interest debt, like credit cards over 15%. Build a small emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses in a safe savings account. Think of it like this. You don't build a skyscraper on sand. You need solid ground first. Step 2. Learn the golden rule. Time in the market beats timing the market. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to buy low and sell high like Wall Street pros. Forget that. The easiest way to win is to invest consistently over many years. Step 3. Start super small and diversify. You don't need thousands of dollars. Many platforms let you start with just $5 or $10. The smartest move for beginners? Put your money into low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the entire stock market, like the S&P 500. One single investment gives you ownership in 500 of America's biggest companies. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, you own tiny pieces of all of them. Step 4. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers from your bank to your investment account every payday. Pay yourself first. When you automate, you remove emotion and you actually stick with it. Step 5. Keep learning, but don't overcomplicate it. Read one good book. I recommend The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Watch quality channels, and never invest in something you don't understand. If your uncle's crypto tip sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Look, investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about becoming financially free while living your normal life. One of my favorite examples. If you invest just $200 a month at an average 8% return, which is realistic for the stock market long term, in 30 years, you could have over $300,000. That's life-changing money from pocket change. And yes, the market will crash sometimes. That's normal. It's like a roller coaster. The people who make it are the ones who keep their seatbelt on and don't jump out when it gets scary. Here's the secret sauce most beginners miss. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. The earlier you start, the more ridiculous your results become. Even if you're 30 or 35, you're still incredibly early. So here's your action plan for this week. Open a brokerage account. Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard are beginner-friendly. Set up an automatic $50 or $100 monthly investment into an S&P 500 index fund. Celebrate! You just became an investor. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the first amount you're going to invest? Even if it's just $20, I read every comment. Drop a yes if you're starting this month. Thanks for watching. Now go make your money work harder than you do. See you in the next one.